If you're new to the Ning platform, this screencast is just for you. A little bit about navigating the Community Hub in our eCourse space. As you can see, we're on the main page of the Community Hub. If you come over to the tab on the right that says eCourses and just mouse over it, you'll see a drop down. You want to come down and click on Connected Coaching. That will take you into our private eCourse space. This is our private course space. Please know that this right-hand column is part of the main Community Hub and not necessarily part of our course space. This is the main page of our course space. You'll see on the right there, your pictures will pop up when you join as members, and there's also a list of pages on the right. We'll look at those in a minute. This in the welcome box, which will change often. At this moment, you're going to find the welcome with my contact info, course information with a short video, and then weekly topics. The weekly topics will always be on this front splash page with a link to the content for the week. And then finally, I'll be adding the videos that I'm creating about how you can best navigate this course space. So you've come in here and you see the link here for week 1. If you click on it, it will take you to a week 1 overview. It'll have a brief description of what we're doing, an essential question, the assignments. It will have a playlist of resources to access for this week, and it will always have links to the discussions. If you have any kind of question, leave that question in the comments. If I go back to the main splash page, I'm going to scroll down below the videos, and there you're going to find the discussion forums. So you can reach the discussion forums from the front page, or you can reach them from the weekly overview page. When a discussion has a reply, it automatically pops to the top. Wanted to show you too a little bit about the pages because they're an important part of this course space. Page number 1 has the webinar links and archives. We'll be meeting on Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. If you click on the webinar links, you'll find the link to join the webinar room there. Second page is a help desk. Any kind of questions you need help with, please ask them here. And what you probably want to do for each of these pages is you want to click on a button so that it says stop following. When you come to one of these pages for the first time, it will say follow. Click on that button, and then that means anytime anybody leaves a comment with any kind of question or information that might be helpful to you too, you'll get a notification. So we've looked at the help desk. Remember to follow the pages. The cafe is an important place for online courses, and that's a place where it's a social place. A place to share all kinds of things that are going on in your lives. You can commiserate here, you can share a best read. Be sure to come in here, click on follow, and then you'll be able to share with your co-learners in this course. All of us will get to know each other better. The syllabus and learning pledge are on this page. Information about graduate credit, information about the toolkit we'll be creating, and then we will continue to add pages with each week. You need to know that there are after a certain number of pages, you can't see them anymore. You'll have to click on the View All button. When you click on View All, you'll be able to see all the pages that have been created for our course. So that's it for this screencast. Most important pieces: pages, information, particularly the weekly topics, and at the bottom, the discussion forums, where we're going to be doing lots of learning together. Looking forward to the journey we'll be taking in these next 11 weeks.